Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. And today we're playing Minecraft and it's Paradox mod. So listen, if you want to download this mod, please make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. There's actually no link to this channel because there's a much more easier way than a link. That's right guys, I was just eating some spicy chips. Anyways, if you want to really play it, first things first, just wait for this loading screen to finish up. Okay guys, we're almost there. Okay, so first go here. Yeah, just wait for that thing to load. I'm gonna show you first what you have to do after you download the mod, okay? After you download this mod, first you need to activate holiday creator features, creation of custom biomes, and all the experiments here. Then, second, install the mod. We're going to enter this app. Wow, delicious snack. Anyways, go back. Go to search and press SCP. Remember, the app's name is add-ons for Minecraft. And there's a lot of SCP mod stuff here. And if you want to really download the whole mod, here it is. SCP Paradox. So, guys, if this helps you, please make sure to leave a comment down below and leave a like down below. Try this video get 100 views, or to see that, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let's get going. Bye. Peace out.